Kipware Conversational Advanced Cam gives users the best of both worlds. A conversational, fill-in-the-blank approach for everyday G-code creation, but also the SketchPad for drawing or importing DXF files when more complex G-code creation is required. As an example, pocketing with islands. We created the toolpath plotting here using a DXF file in the Kipware SketchPad. Roughing was done by using our patent-pending machinist mode. No fancy experience is required. Just use the mouse to move the tool to create the toolpath you want. Finishing just requires the user to pick a start point and end point of the contour. Kipware does the rest. Gone are the days when CNC conversational software meant creating G-code for only simple parts. The innovative Kipware Conversational Advanced Cam gives users the ability to create G-code conversationally or with drawing and DXF files. Yeah, it's kind of like having your cake and eating it too. Dive deeper and learn more about Kipware Conversational Advanced Cam at www.kipware.com.